Welcome to New Smyrna Beach, an eclectic beachside community located on Florida's central Atlantic coast. Close enough to all the major attractions in Orlando, but just far enough away to be peaceful and relaxing. Whether you're looking for that week-long vacation with the family or just a weekend getaway for the two of you, New Smyrna Beach will deliver an amazing experience. You won't find chains here on Flagler Avenue or Canal Street, but you'll find some amazing places to eat, shop, and just relax. Here in New Smyrna Beach, we take our relaxing seriously. The Coronado Mainland Shuffleboard Club has been in existence since the 1930s. No matter how far you've come, step into one of our local beachside eateries and you'll feel like a local in no time. And hey, did we mention surfing? The number one thing that brings people to New Smyrna Beach is the beach. With 13 miles of white, sandy beaches, New Smyrna Beach is the perfect destination. And what better place than to spend it at Ocean Beach Club or Sunisands? We're not located by the beach. We're on the beach. Spectacular views, sparkling pools, great amenities, and a very short distance to anything you could possibly need. Ocean Beach Club and Sunisands are the perfect places to make your getaway. You'll enjoy the spacious floor plans, full kitchens, recently remodeled rooms with beautiful furniture, and did we mention the views? Sunisands features 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath units or 2-bedroom, 2-bath units. And the views are absolutely breathtaking. So come and stay with us. Experience the difference, and you'll quickly realize why Ocean Beach Club and Sunisands have become people's favorite New Smyrna Beach destinations. We hope to see you soon.